The sound of the divine drum, counsel at a time of victory, the great Jigme Phuntsok Rinpoche, translated by Adam Piercy. Ever youthful and glorious Manjushri, embodiment of all the victorious Buddha's wisdom, remain forever upon the 8-petaled lotus in my heart, and make whatever I say a source of healing for all beings. Simply to hear the words of the essence of clear light, the most profound of paths, is to undermine samsaric existence, while meditation on its key points brings liberation in a mere 6 months. So let this alone penetrate into the glorious knot of your heart. For fortunate ones to encounter this teaching is a sign of having gathered merit over many aeons in the past, and provides an opportunity equal to that of Samantabhadra. So rejoice, my dear heart friends. To bring relief to beings throughout samsara's terrible realms, by leading them to a state of lasting happiness, take on the task of helping others in thought and deed, and avoid self-cherishing as if it were food laced with poison. It is this that closes the door to the lower realms below, that leads to the blissful splendor of the higher realms above, and that ultimately brings us to the dry land of liberation. Without undue thought, then, put this into practice. Towards all the luxuries and enjoyments of samsara, let your desires and aspirations subside in relaxation, and prize pure dharma discipline as the supreme adornment, the greatest source of reverence for gods and other beings alike. From this derives all the joys and splendors of the higher realms and definitive goodness, while transgressions mean wandering endlessly in the lower realms. So do not deceive yourself, but adopt and avoid actions in the proper way. Always be in harmony with friends in attitude and deeds, and exert yourself in cultivating sincerity and pure motivation. Even if you seek your own best interest in the long term, the method is still to benefit others. This is the instruction. This advice encapsulates the essence of the rules of pure human conduct, the skillful methods of the Buddhas of past, present, and future, and the 4 means of attracting others. So, my disciples, never ever forget this. Through the virtue of pronouncing this advice, may all beings be freed from samsara's abyss. May fortunate disciples be sustained with joy and reborn in the blissful Pure Land to the west. I, Ngawang Lodro Tsungme, sang these words of advice before an assembly of almost 5,000 sangha members on the 9th day of the 8th month of the Fire Mouse year during the 17th calendrical cycle, 21 September 1996, when we, the teacher and disciples, were celebrating victory over outer, inner, and secret obstacles. May virtue abound.